nag-attempt pa raw siya.
Oh, I'm sorry, excuse me. I'm sorry. We will release her na. But ito, umabot, bench warrant of arrest issued by the Sandigan Bayan. So, and there is no bail recommended. So, we will hold him here, partner. Dito pa muna siya. Ito, kalalabas lang, mainit-init pa.
Ano nakalagay po dyan, sir?
You are hereby commanded to arrest Mary Ann Tuma Maslog, alias Jessica Cese Francisco, alias Mary Ann Smith, who is said to be found at the National Bureau of Investigation Probe and Financial Crimes Division, SOCD, and to bring her before the court as soon as possible, pursuant to the court's resolution, blah, blah, blah.
Okay, very good.
So, we will still hold her, mga panyero, I'm sorry, kakadating lang, mainit-init pa ang warrant, we will still have her custody. Siguro later, makikipag-cooperate siya, I can tell you further kung ano man ang isisiwalan niya.